So you turn left and it comes right out. So that's taking that socket off, and then the bulb you'll see is right there. And you've got these hooks that you have to push forward. You can see if you push in, it'll release each side. And then the bulb, you pull back this wire and your bulb will come out. So it's just stuck a little on this wire here. And I'm replacing this because the headlight was going, there it is, comes right out. The headlight was going off on me when it gets hot. So I've got the old bulb out, and that's what it looks like in there through the bumper.